Hello. Carpets add warmth and beauty to our spaces, yet they require consistent care to retain their charm. The carpet cleaning procedure encompasses several essential stages. Initially, the team applies a select solvent known for its outstanding capacity to dissolve diverse stains. Once the solvent is applied, it's allowed to settle for about 10 to 15 minutes. In these moments, the solvent actively penetrates carpet fibers, targeting and loosening entrenched stains. Subsequently, the team embarks on the scrubbing phase. Using specialized tools and, when required, additional solvent, they ensure comprehensive stain coverage and removal. We emphasize this meticulous scrubbing, repeating it thrice to leave no stone unturned. Lastly, the team employs a high powered steam cleaner or extraction machine. This apparatus ensures every inch of your carpet is free from stains, delivering a thoroughly clean finish. For a clearer picture, we invite you to watch a video of the team in action, demonstrating expertise in carpet care. But remember, carpet cleaning goes beyond aesthetics. It's about ensuring a clean, healthy environment for you and those you cherish. We appreciate your time today and are at your disposal for any queries. Should you have any questions or require further information regarding our carpet cleaning service, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support. We are here to assist and guide you every step of the way. Warm regards.